notes sounds so I can rap or something. That's the focus of our business, so we really are helping to empower the EV movement by allowing you to charge your EV vehicle wherever you go. Just to give you some background, we've been doing this since 1994. You would say, well, what the heck were you doing in 1994? Because there wasn't so many EVs. Our company actually helped develop and design the battery system and the charging system for the EV1 with General Motors. So we were a big component of that. We developed and designed the first EV electric highway in North America along the West Coast. And ever since then, we've been an innovator in the EV space. So we've grown up since then, really deeply rooted, as I mentioned earlier, with the OEMs. So we're partners with almost every OEM out there, building their portable charging systems for them and some of the wall chargers. We're global, so we're operating primarily in the US and Europe, but we have adapters for 180 countries that our partners sell our products across the globe.